Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today, we're doing barbecue chicken thighs. Let's fire up the Traeger. Alright, what I'm going to be using is a Weber dry rub. This is one of our favorites that we like to use. Also, it's between this guy and the Traeger rub for the Traeger that we like. This is both we like to use. So I'm going to do this. So what we're doing is we're going to cook these at 350 degrees, and I'm going to guess we're going to leave them there for 45 minutes. Last time I did this, I cooked them at 375 and they were there for 30 minutes, but I'm going to lower the temp a little bit so I can get more of a smoke flavor. So that's why I'm going with 350 at 45 minutes. So I'm going to do the rest on these on the other side, and we will be back. Alright, now that I have them done, put some rub on both sides. A nice heavy coat. I mean, like I said, you'll add as much as you want. For me, this is about right. So now we're going to go turn on the Traeger and put it at 350 degrees. Alright guys, our Traeger is up to our target temp, and that's 350 degrees. So we're going to add this chicken in here. Also remember, with chicken you got to be careful with cross-contamination. I put a new pair of gloves after I was done seasoning, and then I'll put another pair of gloves when these are done. So what I like to do is I like to come back halfway when they're done and flip them so I can get that grill mark on both sides. Now you don't have to flip them if you don't want. You can just set it and forget it and come back around half hour just to see where they're at, but I'll come back in 20 minutes, flip them, and then I'll leave them another 20 minutes. And our internal temp that we're trying to go for is 165. So we'll be back in about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them. Alright, we're back. So they've been there for 20 minutes, and they're at about 150 degrees internal temp. So we're just going to flip them, get that grill mark. And then towards the end, when they're almost done, probably at 160, we're going to add the barbecue. I'm going to take these things off and reset them on top. But, yep. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. The barbecue of choice that we're doing at Beginner's Barbecue is Famous Dave. This is one of the best barbecue sauce I have ever tasted. So, it's been about 10 minutes since last time we checked it, so now we're ready to put some barbecue on these guys. Not all of them are going to get barbecue sauce because the wife does not want barbecue sauce on her piece. So I'm going to add barbecue sauce on all these except for 3. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to flip them, do the same on the other side, and then we should be close to getting done. So I'm going to do this, and we'll be back in about another 10 minutes and see where we're at towards the end. Alright, they are now done. It's been about 45 minutes, and internal temp was reached at 165. So we're ready to take these out. Look how they look. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to turn the Traeger off and go cut this and taste it. All right, we are back, and so let's take a cut, see what we got. Oop, oop. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, let's see how it tastes. All right, so here we go. Man, that's so good. If you guys have not tried Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, the sweet and zesty one, you guys gotta try it. I bought it at Walmart. I think it's $2. Normally they're like even more expensive, but it must have been on sale. But that's the barbecue we like to use. It tastes so good. So we had it for 45 minutes until the internal temp got to 165. The Traeger was at 350. Also, you got to remember, if it's cold outside, it kind of varies because your Traeger also sometimes is higher than normal. Like it'll go at 360 or at 340. Like it goes to temp depending the weather outside. Mine was actually, it stayed at 350. It's not that cold or hot outside right now, so that was perfect. Also, I opened it a few times to turn it and to add the barbecue sauce, so that adds a little bit more time. Now, if you would just leave it alone, set it and forget it for the full 40 minutes, it'll probably be 40 minutes or a little bit less because you're not opening it like I did. But as long as you have a thermometer, something to check it, and keep an eye on it towards the end to see where you're at and know how many times you can add it. That'll be it. Don't forget to like the video if you guys like what you saw today. Let me know in the comments what kind of barbecue sauce you guys like to use. I might want to look for something new. I don't know, I might want to try something else. Let me know what barbecue sauce you guys like to use on your chicken, and I'm curious to see what you guys use. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like, and we'll see you guys next time.